boys and girls. So this week is all about the break apart strategy in math. The break apart strategy is a way to take a tough multiplication problem and break it down into easier pieces for us to solve. So for example, let's take a look at the problem 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is a tough problem because it's not one that's easy to remember for mental math. So we're going to use the break apart strategy. The first step in the break apart strategy is to draw your rectangle. Now I'm going to take my two factors, so 8 and 7, and I'm going to write them on my rectangle. Now what I need to do is take one of these factors and break it apart, so turn it into two numbers that are easier to work with when I multiply. The best thing to do is to try to think to yourself, what facts do you already know with mental math? So I'm going to take my 7, and I'm going to break my 7 apart. And the way I'm going to do that is to turn it into a 5 and a 2. Because I know that 5 plus 2 is 7. And I also know that I can multiply by 5 and I can multiply by 2 nice and easy. So now I'm going to write 5 times 8, my top factor, to get one answer. And then next I will have 2, because I'm down here in my second rectangle, times 8, my top number, to get my second answer. 5 times 8 is 40. 2 times 8 is 16. Now, since I've broken apart one of my factors, I need to put it all back together again to get my total answer. So I need to add 40 plus 16. 0 plus 6 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. What this 56 means is 8 times 7 is 56. So for the break apart strategy, you take one factor, you break it apart into two easier numbers, and then you add it all back up again to get your total amount or your product for the original problem.